Hello everyone, today my friends came to my house to teach me how to make kimchi, radish kimchi. Does it look good? And the next day already eats with rice. Welcome to SaigoncookTravel. I am Saigon Cook. If you are new to my channel, please like, share my video and subscribe. It means a lot. I feel not so original version. So today, my friend, she is Korean and she tried to teach me. First, she peeled the radish and now she cooking them. You know, I love Korean dishes. I love to eat. Barbecue in the restaurant, and I like to make them too. So right now she peeling the ginger. She said this ginger, she pounded the ginger and garlic. She already shredded the carrot earlier, and now she make them together, and some of Napa cabbage, and the green onion will cut slightly thinly. If you want to see the recipe, the measurement, please head to the description box below. I wrote down for you. Now everything is in the bowl, and she added the seasoning now. Shoju, mirin, sesame seed, sugar, shrimp base, Korean chili flakes. When you added Korean chili flakes, you immediately see, kimchi version appear. She mixed very well, and now is the time air so that they can breathe. Right now, you can eat it with rice. That was Suki told me, but I waited for the next day, more flavor, and so good. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. I see you soon. Bye bye.